So I'm really missing my mums from the fall here, and I've got this crazy idea. I'm going to go ahead and grab some of the mums that we had from the fall. It's now winter, it's December, and go ahead and plant these during the winter and see what we can get. See how many plants we can get out of here. Right now they are dormant. As you can see, it's been snowing here. It's cold, and the plant is fully dormant. It's kind of crispy right now. It's got a lot of snow on it, and it's went into winter hibernation. Well, it looks pretty cool right now, but what we'd like to do is try to get this out of the pot, and let's see if we can get it to grow. Let's see if we can get it to come out of the dormancy here. Looks pretty frozen right now. Shake some of the snow. Oh. Let's take it in here for a brush off here, and let's examine it a little bit further here on the table here. Yeah, it's pretty frozen right now. It's just a solid block here. And we've got somebody peeking in at us here. We've got a cat, looks like, at the door. And there is Tiny greeting us here at the door. All right, back to our project here. Let's get this into the greenhouse here, and let's start trimming on this plant and see if we can get it to break its dormancy here. See if we can get some growth coming up from the bottom. Usually what happens is it start to grow from the bottom, from the soil line after a few weeks. So here we are. Let's do a little trimming. And we're just trimming, getting all the dead foliage off. You want to trim that down, and then you want to put it under some grow lights and some heat. You want the mums to be about 50 degrees at least, or higher consistently, and you'll start to see them grow. And then what I like to do is try to break some of the new growth off and just pot it up and see what happens. All right, here we are. We're all trimmed up, made a mess. Now we've got to thaw out. Here we are 2 weeks later, and we've already got some really good growth going on in here. I see a lot of green down here, and now it's just a matter of kind of getting in below the soil and getting some of those roots out of there for our small plants. Those are going to be small plants here. And this 10-inch pot was $2 on clearance last fall. I think we can make our money back from getting a couple of these guys here to start growing in their own pots. Looks really good after these couple weeks here. And now we're going to dive in, and we're going to pull the root ball out of the pot here. Let's set this aside. Let's set this down here. And let's go examining here. Let's get into the soil, and we're going to pinch and pull apart. See if there's any roots. Those look like they will root pretty quickly. And all we're doing is we're getting down below the soil line, and we're pinching off the little plants that are coming up from the ground here. Let's collect as many mums as we can. And these are little baby plantlets, that's all they are. They're really strong for how small they are, actually. They've got woody stems. The idea is just to collect as many of these little plantlets that we can get. Let's set them aside. Let's gather all the little plants that we can. There's a few more left in here, and they're kind of hard. These are woody stems you're dealing with here, so be careful. And we want to try to pull them apart real gently. Make sure we're getting some root in with it. And there's a nice one. And it looks like we'll have about 10 or so, maybe 8 to 10 little plants. As you can see the little woody stem sticking out there. It's got a little bit of root there already in it. So those should root in fine for us and give us a nice stash of new mums here. A fresh batch of new mums for spring, which is always good. So we can get this last one out of here. He's right up against the big stems there. Again, we're just pinching it off, pulling up some root there. We got 2 of them. Very good. They look very good. A couple weeks, they've already sprouted here. It looks looking really good here. Promising for spring here to have some new mums from the mother plant. Just kind of sifting around to see if there's anything else worth pulling apart here. We might have one more in here. And you can break some of the older woody stems apart to get into these little plantlets. They're always at the base and they're just coming up from the soil now. So you want to be gentle with them. Try to get into the stalk and then pull apart where you got some root here. There's another one. We're doing good. A couple weeks in, we've got about 10 plants here. All right, let's get them potted up if we will. All right, we've got our group of plantlets here, these mums. We're going to just rinse these off at the base here in our wash basin. This will be nice. Get some of that old soil off there. Make sure we've got some root on our plant cuttings. If they don't have any root or any of the woody stem that looks like it's going to root, I'll just throw those away. But we want the ones that have the stems that will root in real quickly. And now they've got a nice soak. They look good. All right, we've got some pots here, about 2-inch pots by 3-inch. Let's give these a little bit of soil here. Let's fill these up. And now we've got our soil there for potting mix. And let's see what we got inside the cup here. These look really good. You see the stems there at the very end. That's where the roots are going to start to grow. Looks like we've got some good ones here. Good ones to start with. Oh, these are going to be new mum plants. They're big old plants by fall. Next fall, they should be real nice and big. They look healthy. They're growing well. So now we're just going to transplant them into pots of our choice here. We got some starter mums. This one looks really good. This one's nice and big. This one should root in real fine. We'll probably trim some of the leaves off eventually there. A couple of the ones with the brown edges, but that won't even matter. Come fall next year, we're going to be fine. We're going to have some nice big mum plants. The flowers on these ones are going to be beautiful. We start now. And the flowering should be real good here in the fall. Each one's got a little bit of a woody stem there. Should be easy to root those in. We just need to keep them watered. We need some sunlight in the greenhouse there, keep them warm. And they should thrive here. We have a couple little ones here. Yeah, might as well just plant them right in there as well. We had about 10. There's a couple that probably won't make it. We're gonna maybe end up having 8 plants here so far, and then we can just wait. That mum that'll actually shoot up new plants from the mother plant, and we can collect more of those, even more. Here it is, 2 weeks later. They're looking really strong, guys.